Happening Gijingwan Ra ka Sarkar Jilla ka Anti-Narcotic Task Force ANTF Police Station hakanong ba shalong hakakat neutrik uno pra arajar pusaw uba polling do umentri katanat social welfare ula pentip ba kajing tmu kadai ban penlong ke ANTF kom kawai ni katanat baklan ban yakun persya iki kam khayi drug bian hakajilla hakajing alam ujak pal sing thanau IPS kong USP habakren chikilat pathai khubor uba polling do ulong ba ka sarkar kala thungru lai phongut ki constable ban pet kerpang tang ye gajing man rung udrak ban rat ding khong yu na kajilla ulaban rap ru ba sarkar kala pen kre ru ye ka police K9 squad khnang ban yo kemi kirunar khayi drak.
You see, all this while we have been tackling the issue of drug menace with various departments not really having a point of convergence. But with the initiation of the DREAM mission, now we have home police, social welfare, health and education departments all working in tandem. But when it comes to the ANTF, all along it was led by SP, but they lacked the required manpower because apart from tackling the menace of drugs, the ANTF personnel were also involved in other policing acts, like for instance crime, law and order, VIP duties. So that is why the focus was not there. Today with the ANTF becoming a dedicated police team and now with the inauguration of their own police station, their entire focus is on narcotics and how to reduce and eventually eliminate drugs from the state of Nigeria. That is the general idea, and based on that idea, today we have inaugurated this police station, and now they have a force of their own with a total of roughly 30 constables led by the SP, and this entire team will now be a dedicated force which will only focus itself on drugs and drug-related cases. It will not go into traffic management, crime, law and order. All of that has been divested from them.
Okay. Now, I would like to understand, so there will be no lack of manpower, there's sufficient...
We'll keep optimizing at the manpower, but more importantly is also the training. There's provision that we will continue to upgrade their skills, and also we will be introducing, we have already acquired police canine squad, and these will be also utilized along with trained dog handlers, which will help us to enhance our capacity to effectively catch peddlers.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabathau bha kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.